All right, I have completely butchered the fuel pump assembly for the Mercedes C300. I also butchered a fuel pump for a delivery van with the 6.0 and 4L80 in it. I ordered this months ago. You can see I took the pressure relief valve out of there. Coming over here, by some miracle, I get this fitting back on here. I replaced the pressure relief valve that was in there for Mercedes. Replaced it with the LS one. Well, LS one, you know. Chevy Express van pressure relief. Now, getting these fittings right here off takes an act of God. I don't know if you can see that thing. That tab has to be jammed in there as hard as you can, and then you work the fitting off with a screwdriver. I successfully did it with that one, but now I've got to somehow fit my hand in there while attaching that one back on there. Wish me luck. It wasn't easy. None of this was easy. All right, friends. Battery is connected. Fuel pump is connected. Let's hit it. Fuel pump is primed. I don't smell fuel in the engine bay. I also don't see fuel pressure. Let's see if it starts. Or should we hit it one more time? Let's hit it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Let me check the pressure again, see if this pressure gauge actually works. Okay, what is going on? Let's hit it one more time. One more time, peeps. Must have just filled the filter. Okay, here we go. No way! What the heck is going on here? No way that's possible, people. No way. So, two things you have to do, without a doubt. Find your Mercedes fuel pump, power and ground. Wire it to the LS computer. Other one is ground, obviously. Next, you pop out the oil filter. Next, you pop out the fuel filter. Pop out the relief valve. Put in the LS relief valve. Button everything all up. Throw your seat back on. You're good to go. Oh yeah, and you're welcome. Subscribing, I'm at like 172 still. If you could throw me a like and a subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It's totally free. Like everybody else says, it's totally free. And I'm just going to keep making videos because, like I said, I think there's stuff that I cover that hasn't been shown on YouTube before. Like, oh yeah, check out the clock spring video on the Mazda. I haven't seen, like, how to do it anywhere. So, yeah, what else can I say? Great day. Fixed my kid's seat belt. Took a look at the belts on her car. And also did a mini review on that, and I'm going to post that as well. Everybody take care. Have a great rest of your weekend. And have a great week. And I'm just going to post videos as many times as I can. Check you later. And remember, when all you have is fails, buy a broken.